Oh, what's up guys, I am David and welcome next tutorial where I will show you how to upload videos on YouTube. So more than one videos you may upload in the same time on your channel. Okay, step by step I will show you how to do it, and you may also leave like and subscribe, share to others. You may also leave a bell, and so start. So first what you need to do is log in on your account. Next, you may click here in YouTube Studio. And now you have here option, it is reset. It is unfair, reset. Okay, this strike. Now you click on the create, here upload videos. And here, what you need to do, enter in videos which you need. And now you set more videos than one. Okay, for example 5, and now you put in this place. Okay, drag and drop videos up. Okay, and as you can see, you have uploading more than one videos. And so you may go on the T, on play on football, go outside on fresh air, and later when you back you will have finish this videos without you. Okay, that's all. It is a very good method. I also recommend you. 2 minutes left. You may maximum put 12 videos on one. Okay, and that's all. Thanks for watching. I have hope that I help you. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, leave like and subscribe. Okay, I don't need this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, and see you next time in other videos. Thanks.